Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to connect Stripe to your CRM so you can easily process payments directly from your customer records. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard and click the Marketplace icon up in the top right corner. Then select App Marketplace from the drop-down menu. Use the search bar to find the official Stripe integration and click the orange Install App button. This will redirect you to a secure login page where you just enter your Stripe credentials to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Once your accounts are synced up, the absolute best way to use this integration is with HubSpot's built-in quotes tool. When you're building a new proposal or quote for a client, you'll now see a checkout section where you can select Stripe as your payment processor. When your customer receives the quote link, they can securely enter their credit card details right on the page without ever having to leave the document. As soon as the payment goes through, all of that transaction data automatically syncs back into HubSpot, instantly updating the associated contact and deal records so your sales team knows exactly who has paid. If this quick tutorial helped you streamline your payment processing today, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot guides, and let me know in the comments what app integration you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.